Hi guys, I'm back on YouTube. Today, we'll unbox the Creative Express Sublimation Oven and we will try it on mugs. Let's open the box. This is the Creative Express Sublimation Oven 15-liter 7-in-1 package. They also have the bigger 18-liter version, Puro Hindi siya available ng kinuha ko ito. Inside the box, we have the oven unit, the manual, and accessories for sublimation. We have 1 high-temperature gloves, 20 pieces of heat shrink film, 1 pack of A4 sublimation paper, a thermal tape, set of silicone cup holder and scraper. And of course, inside this box is the oven itself. The 18-liter is beige in color, while this blue is 15-liter. It can accommodate for 11 ounces ceramic mugs. Of course, we have the door handle. It comes with a big tray, an air fry basket, and a wire rack. We have temperature and timer knobs. For technical specifications, voltage is 220, power is 1360 watts. And yes, to complete the 7-in-1 package, here's the heat gun. We will use this later. Creative Express 7-in-1 Sublimation Oven. I already printed the designs on the sublimation paper. Cut the sides of the sublimation paper. You may use a ruler and cutter or paper trimmer or scissors. You can use whatever you have. The goal is to remove any sublimation ink on the sides of the paper. I am using brayer here. I am now applying the design on the mug using the heat tape. Apologies, the whole dot process wasn't really seen on the video. I just wrapped the sublimation paper on the mug with the help of the thermal tape. Then apply the shrink film and use the heat gun after to secure the design. We are preheating the oven. By the way guys, according to the manual, wash all the accessories with hot soapy water before using. Then run the oven for 15 minutes into 130 Celsius. I am now placing the mugs inside the oven. At this point, I am so excited that my first mistake is unnoticed. Timer is 8 minutes and 200 degrees. Baking is done. The second mistake will take place. Mistakes and lessons. Since this is my first time, I also made 2 mistakes. First mistake, I didn't give enough space between the mugs. The shrink film got messed up because the mugs touched each other. Second mistake, I didn't peel off the shrink film right away. Because of that, the color of the thermal tape reacted with the sublimation coating on the mug. Next time, I'll space out the mugs properly and peel off the shrink film immediately after pressing. But still, I am happy. If you're into crafting or in mug sublimation, let me know your thoughts on this video or on my process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY and sublimation videos. See you on the next one. God bless you.